Hello guys, I'm Ravi. Welcome to my channel Artist and Coder. Today in this video I will show you how to make your computer faster. Look like this is rocket. So let's get started. Go to your this PC, click right button and open manage. Then go to event viewer, click the left icon of event viewer. Then click left icon of Windows Logs, then click applications from the drop down menu and see the left bar clear log option and click clear log, then click clear, then click security and then click again clear log and click clear, then click setup, then click clear log and clear, then click system, then click clear log and clear, click forward events and click clear log, then click clear. Step number 2, press your keyboard Windows plus R, then type temp and enter, then press Ctrl A and press Shift delete. This will be permanently delete your temporary files. Press enter and click continue. Close it, then press again Windows R from keyboard and type percentage temp percentage, enter, select all, shift delete and enter, then continue. Click do this for all current items and click skip, then close it. Once again press Windows plus R and type preface, enter, continue, select all, shift delete, enter, click do this for all current item and skip. So guys, apply these tips and see how fast is your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest update and latest video. Thank you.